Somerset has some of the most spectacular habitats and wildlife in the UK. It's also home to some incredible protected landscapes, whether that's the beautiful Blackdown Hills, Somerset Levels and Mendip Hills, or the rolling Quantock Hills and Exmoor National Park. Meadows, ancient woodland and renowned wetlands provide magnificent habitats to a wide range of species, from red deer and dragonflies to round-leaved sundew and damselflies. Now, more than ever, we recognise that a healthy natural environment is key to our health and well-being. It provides us the foundation of a productive economy, giving us food and water, carbon storage, and flood control. As humans, being in nature helps us to thrive and be calm. It gives us the chance to connect to the natural world and encourage others to do the same. Nature has an intrinsic value and we have a responsibility to protect it. All around us we can see that the natural environment faces urgent and significant challenges. This is because the UK is one of the most nature-depleted countries in the world, and unfortunately, Somerset is no different. This is due to complex factors such as habitat loss, pesticides, diseases, pollution, and of course climate change. But it's not too late to act. Together, we can protect our valuable wildlife and allow nature to thrive. The government has appointed local authorities throughout England to create local nature recovery strategies. Here in Somerset, this work is being led by Somerset Council in collaboration with the Somerset Local Nature Partnership. Our strategy will establish the location of our most precious habitats and wildlife, map the locations most suitable for nature restoration and set out local priorities and actions for restoring and creating habitats. This will require a coordinated effort, as well as an improved understanding of the most important actions for nature recovery and how these can be delivered. There are plenty of ways to get involved, from online surveys, signing up to our newsletter, or looking out for updates online. Everybody has a part to play in shaping this strategy, from landowners and managers to farmers, community groups and planners. We want to hear from you, so please get involved and get invested in a better future.